All right. We've done a crossover. I've covered up some of the pipe because we're fixing to cover it up. There's the tank. This is a field line repair. We call it a crossover. There's the tank. That's where it exits. Come down. You can see the pipe right here. I've had to throw dirt on there with a shovel because he's fixing to dump loads of dirt. That is almost 6 foot deep. There's some of the pipe. Here's some of the pipe. Right here, you can see. It goes directly into the field line right here. So, you can see that is 30 feet. We put in about 35 feet of hang on. We put in about 35 feet of pipe. Just a little John Deere was sufficient. Anyway, we put in about 35 feet of pipe. And let me show you what we got here. So the original field line went from here. I know this is difficult. I'm explaining it kind of crazy, but the original field line came out here and went right here into the edge of the woods. Whooped all the way around there to where I've got it connected to the field line. That's how the field lines went. Through here, and then they whooped around here, and then came back to us, and then whooped it back. So what I've done was all these field lines right here were full of roots, packed full of roots from the trees. So I just did what we call a crossover or a bypass, and I bypassed those roots. Went from the tank with hard pipe, Schedule 40, and went on and connected it right back into the field line. That way these roots can't come back this way and affect it any. Anyway, I know I didn't explain it good, but I am wore out. I've been in that ditch all day long. Oh, this has been a tough job. Real tough job. And that little John Deere, that thing works awesome. It's a little slow. It's a little bit slow. But, digging wise, but it works good. Anyway. That's it. Anyway, he wants me to get the camera off of him.